How to use Lemon8 after ban. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. Lemon8 is a social media app that allows users to share photos and short form videos. Now, if this application has been banned in your country and you want to use it, then what you want to do is open up Play Store or App Store on your device. Now, tap on the search bar, search for VPN. Here, you will find different results. From here, you can select whichever VPN app you want. Make sure you select the one with high ratings and high download. Now tap on the install button. After it has been installed, tap on the open option. Once you open the VPN app, you want to select a country where Lemon8 is not banned. For example, I'm going to select Spain over here. Tap on that. Once VPN has been connected, now you want to open the Lemon8 app and it should work without any issue. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.